Hello everyone, myself Karthik, ECE department, first year, Seniors Institute of Technology, Volachil. Uh, I am talking about wallets of tomorrow. When I think about innovative idea, I think multi-purpose wallet is a creative idea. So I ask about this idea. I got a lot of ideas. From collecting these ideas, I had prepared a prototype of wallets of tomorrow. This wallet functionality like this: solar powered. This wallet consists of solar panel with a small battery. This is helpful for charging wallet, mobiles, and its accessories. Digital identity wallet, a secure digital wallet that stores important personal documents, identifications, and other protected with biometric authentications. Location tracking. This wallet could integrate with your smartphone's GPS to help you track its location of if lost, making it easier to retrieve. Emergency beacon wallet, a wallet equipped with a district signal beacon that can emit an SOS signal in emergencies, enhancing personal safety and contact to emergency numbers. Fitness tracker. It consists of some fitness sensors that track step distance, providing a unique way to monitor your activity. Voice assistant wallet. Featuring a built-in voice assistant like Siri or Google Assistant, that wallet help you set a reminder, make calls, and answer questions. Uh, Components required: GPS tracker, biometric sensors, solar panel, SOS signal producers, fitness sensors like accelerometer, gyroscope, and pedometer sensors, processor and memory, display, secure storage, microphone, speaker, controlling. This is the prototype of wallets of tomorrow. This consists of control unit attached with fitness sensors, processors and display, biometric sensors, microphones and speaker, GPS tracker, and charged with solar panels. Thank you.